And we have completed the installation on the 2024 Colorado. Beautiful black interior, big change from the original with horrible cloth. Don't allow your vehicle to fall behind with those horrible cloth seats. Upgrade to leather. And we have this kit for different configurations, colors, contrast stitch, piping. We also have cooling and heating. If you have a vehicle like this, you deserve real leather. Don't get this cheap stuff that looks like leather, which is plastic. You can visit LeatherTeck.com or Upholstery Technology and see everything that we have to offer. And if you don't find what you're looking for, give us a call. Put your question in the comments, because this is what you're gonna get, guys. Once you do the installation, this is how beautiful it's gonna look. You're gonna be so happy to drive in a beautiful, comfortable, luxurious leather seats. Besides, the truck will smell like new, will smell like leather, not like plastic. So big difference. And LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology.